Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I am MD Ryan Kabir. I live in Rampur, Badarganj. We are four family members. My father, my mother, my little brother, and me. I am a student of Daffodil International University. I admit at Daffodil International University in 2022 at the Department of Civil Engineering. Now I am at 5th semester. I passed SSC exam in 2017 with GPA 4.57 from Model High School. I passed diploma in civil engineering in 2021 with CGPA 3.37 from Dinajpur Polytechnic Institute. I have some skill. I am very skilled at AutoCAD. I can design perfect residential, commercial, and any other building. I do also have skill in Microsoft Word, Excel, and PowerPoint. I have a few achievements. I received a certificate and award from a construction firm for being top in AutoCAD design competition. I work hard and design skill so much as possible so I can fulfill my dream and I can provide a better future to my family. I want to make my parents proud of me. I want to make steel structure so the world we know my name like Fazlur Rahman Khan. I have some hobbies like cooking, reading, and bike travel, etc. Alongside my study, I work part-time as a freelancer on Fiverr in AutoCAD. Tasks for civil engineering client. Their rules has taught me a lot about quality control, safety standard, and effective communication. I also do work online marketing and promotion on various products. That's all. Thank you.